Why sell private label versus the other methods? Private label offers a ton of advantages over the other methods. Here's a few. Less work sourcing. You only have to source a single product in large quantities versus many small products like you would with arbitrage or used book sales. Price control. The Amazon listing for your product is under your control. Therefore, you don't have to worry about underpricing your competition like you would with wholesale or arbitrage. Higher profits. In my experience, private label is the most profitable and predictable method of how to sell on Amazon FBA. How much money can I make selling private label? Of course, everyone's success varies with private label. However, if you follow the basic steps myself and James outlined to creating a private label product, this is roughly what you can expect to earn.